Bella, it's Bles and welcome to my channel. Before we get into the video, I am humbly asking if you can and are able to, please consider donating to the victims of Typhoon Rolly and Typhoon Ulysses here in the Philippines. Info and links on some donation drives will be provided in the comment section down below. Thank you very much. Join me as I transform and organize my Android from this to this. I have my current phone for over a year now, and it is in this one-piece case and it has a broken screen protector. It is a Huawei Nova 3i in the color iris purple, and it is this pretty gradient from blue to purple, and I really like it since purple is my favorite color. You can see me a little bit in the reflection. The next clip would be me trying to peel off the screen protector from my phone. It is already broken and I wanted to have that ASMR feeling wherein you peel the screen protector off. So I'm gonna mute this for you to hear it. Now that we have the screen protector off, I'm gonna put this space themed clear case in my phone, and I think that it would go well with the color of my phone. And as you can see, it looks like a galaxy with planets and stars and everything, and I really like it. I got it from Shopee for only 100 pesos. My current lock screen is Jungwon from Treasure, and my home screen is also Jungkyu. They are baby pictures, and you can see how messy my home screen is. Step 1 in organizing and transforming my phone would be uninstalling unused apps. This would save you space and will help you declutter your home screen. Step 2. Make a rough sketch of your layout. I know I'm bad at drawing, but this would help you in your designing later. Step 3 would be putting all icons in folders and removing all widgets. This is important because we want to start with a clean slate. Step 4. Changing your wallpaper, both for home screen and lock screen. For options, Pinterest is the app to go to because it has so many pictures. You just search what kind of picture you wanna use and you will find it there. Step 5 is to prepare your icons. I used an app called Canva wherein you can search existing templates for icons. Here I searched iOS icons, and you can see that there are a lot of templates you can use. But if you're like me and you want to design your own templates, you could also do it by clicking a template and just making it your guide. As you can see here, I've made my own icons by using the different elements available in the app. And it is very easy to download. You can download it directly to your phone, and that would ease the process for changing the icons later. The icons will be automatically saved in your gallery for easy access. Step 6 would be changing your icons by using the app My Icon Changer. In this application, you can see a list of your apps. Click your chosen app. Once you've clicked it, you can edit the shape of your icon. I chose round square, and then you can immediately click gallery to find the picture of the icon that we saved earlier. Once you've found the picture, you can click it and you'll be given the option to crop it. After that, you'll be able to also edit the name of your application. Once you're satisfied, click OK, and the icon and shortcut will be immediately added to your home screen. Once it is in your home screen, you can put it wherever you want. Step 7. Arrange your icons according to your layout. Once you're done changing all icons and adding them to your home screen, you can arrange your icons according to the rough sketch that we drew earlier. It actually took me a total of 45 minutes to change all of my icons and to be able to lay them out. For step 8, we can now add our chosen widgets. The apps that I used are shown in the screen. The simple photo widget is actually a very nice widget wherein you can choose pictures that you want to add to your home screen. It gives me the option to choose how many pictures I want to be put in one widget. Here I am adding Healthy, my dog, to my home screen. You could also resize it, and as you can see, I am topping the sides and it changes the picture. The second widget app that I used is 𝒂𝒊𝒄. It has so many options for clock widgets, and I just chose this flip clock widget for my home screen. Here I'm adding a canvas to do widget for my schoolworks. I also wasn't able to show in video, but I also used the widget Mochipan battery, which is a cute app where it shows your battery percentage. I also used the sticky notes app for adding notes in my home screen. It is cool because you can handwrite some notes and put it in your home screen. I present to you the final product. Enjoy the rest of the video as I show you my transformed and organized phone.